Tato. My business is Tato Outer Courts. Basically, it's just an idea. I'm working, but it came up as an idea. I registered my company. Basically, what I want to do, I want to farm coffee beans. Coffee is used in different type of ways, but I researched and I realized that it's very scarce in this country, and most of it is imported. It's farmed and exported out, but there's nothing that actually belongs to South Africa. Now, coffee can be used in different type of ways. It can be also used as caffeine, medicine. I tended to look around every time when I would travel to Zimbabwe and coming back to South Africa. Most of them do not have proper medicine in that country, and they are forced to come here in order for them to get proper health care. But then I realized that they have good soil as well as we do, and it can only be farmed in Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. So the reason why I wanted to do this is also because I realized there are a lot of remote areas with a lot of great land, but people don't really know how to work on it. So therefore I came up with this idea that you could farm coffee beans. Now it can be processed in 3 different ways as far as my research has been done. It can be planted, and then it can also be taken out, then it goes for roasting. Then after it's taken for roasting, it's taken for packaging. But then if you want to use it for medicine and other reasons, it could be just farmed and taken to be processed on. Now, I would like to also do it because I believe that it will create a lot of job opportunities. It will create and improve economy. It will also assist on people who have large land but don't really know what to do with it. So therefore, that's why I came up with this idea, and I'm really hoping that I'd really get advice from all of you as to what you think about it, because I have searched and realized that it can only grow to certain temperatures, and it can only be in rainy and summer, not more than that. But I'd really like input on that because it's what I'm really interested in, and I think it will really improve a lot of people's lives as well as my own.